Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In the previous video, we tried to discuss about the chicken net corridor and the northeastern part of India and Bangladesh border, Tripura area, Feni corridor, and different types of geostrategic and geopolitically important locations of India and Bangladesh border. And we promised that we shall describe the different strategically important areas in details in the future videos, and this video is the sequence of our previous video. Today we are going to traverse the map of India and Bangladesh border in the chicken neck corridor, Siliguri corridor especially, and we shall try to elaborate and describe the different types of installations. Today we shall describe basically two installations, which is very close to India and Bangladesh border. Let's go. Here is the Banglavandha area. Here is the Banglavandha immigration checkpoint. It's the border of India Bangladesh. Banglavandha 0 point, which are visible to us. Here Bangladesh and India borders are on the left side. You can see that there is a demarcation of India-Bangladesh border, which is detached by Mahananda River, and this is the Panchgarh-Banglavandha highway, which is directly connected to Dhaka through this way, which has no ferry on the way. This is the direct connection from Dhaka to Banglavandha. It's a long way, but a direct connection, very importantly. And while traversing this map, we saw two important structures in the vicinity of this border. One is in the Rangapani area, Rangapani station. This is quite a medium to big station, which has a lot of lines on both sides. You can see it's a very busy station. You can see that a lot of trains are on the way, and the station compound is not so small at all. Most importantly, this station is nearly only 5 kilometers from the Banglavandha 0 point. This is very important. India can accumulate a lot of army ammunition and different types of equipment, military equipment basically at this point, and they can mobilize the army and military equipment from this station, which can be brought from all parts of India to this point, and they can mobilize this area from Banglavandha or different types of chicken neck corridor, Siliguri corridor at any point of conflict, which is very strategically important thing, I think. And this station has sufficient capability to support different types of trains of heavy load, medium load, and they have the capacity to reach Banglavandha or this part of Bangladesh or areas, vicinity areas. And this area is in the middle point of Banglavandha and Bagdogra Airport. Bagdogra Airport very closely, you can see that Bagdogra Airport, and this is the Bagdogra Airport. This Bagdogra Airport is only 9.7 kilometers from Banglavandha 0 point. This is a very important military installations, military come civil airport basically, because this airport has a lot of military installations in the features you can see. And from the reviews of this airport in the map, we observe that a lot of people describe that this is a very strictly maintained airport and a lot of protocols while entering and exit from this airport is maintained. And in the picture you can see two airplane. They are preparing to take off or after landing. And in the same picture you can see a lot of military installations where military airplanes are parked. Here is a helicopter also, very big military helicopter. A lot of military installations, olive colored military sheds. There is an expansion going on at this portion of this airport. In fact, I think this is a military expansion because it's very close to the nearby sheds. So it is obvious that it's not as weak as people think about chicken neck or Siliguri corridor, and it can be cut, it can be done. It's very easy to say, but it's very difficult to implement because they have a lot of structures, different types of structures, military structures, and connection to the remaining part of India. So India can accumulate a lot of things at this point within a very short time notice at this point, and they can occupy the whole area. And if something bad happens, then they can also occupy the Rangpur or Panchgad area, and they can reduce the shortcoming of the Siliguri corridor. And with this Bagdogra airport or Rangapani station, they can connect the whole India with this portion. So this area is very susceptible to security threat, but they have the potential to control of this area with using these military installations and civil installations. And there is civil resistance in this area also, because this area, we can see that this area is not so much less crowded. There's a lot of people living in this area. So if you want to realize the whole scenario of this area, then you must analyze the strength and potentials of these installations also. Firstly, Bagdogra Airport, and secondly, the structures that connect the remaining part of India with this portion of India also. Thank you very much.